Welcome to the channel. Today, I will share 12-month running business ideas you can start anytime.
Us. These are evergreen businesses that earn money in every season.
A grocery and daily needs store is one of the strongest year-round businesses.
Werbedoctors mobile repair and accessories are always in demand.
Flavor, online freelancing can generate income every month from anywhere.
The tech-calorie education-based businesses run successfully all year. Beauty salons and barbershops never go out of demand.
For-border Atapicology e-commerce stores sell products 24/7 throughout the year.
Food businesses work because people eat every day.
Agriculture and livestock businesses run all year long.
Choose a business people need every month, not once a year. Like, subscribe, and comment which business idea you liked most.